I was in the years cooking up some bread, catch me on a flight. My body different, sticks to the Sprite. He was on the land, popping up them zins till like break at night. My body different, my body different. My body different. My body different. My body different.
Hey Diamond, this your girl Tay Slay, back with a repair and retwist on my big cousin. Now, as you can see, she said she hadn't had this done in like 2-3 months. Y'all, it was a journey. Just know that. Let's get it.
My body different. Had to do the Alexander Wayne's, everybody do the Christian. Free all my doors up, not locked up in a system. Look, if I had 100 mil, I couldn't get them. Look, I tell a boy to rip them.
Two quick things. Number one, I don't know why this frame was so small. Don't ask me. I could not fix it. Pissed me off enough. Number two, I kind of made the same mistake I did on my brother's first retwist video and kind of just like was speeding. So I only got really one video of me doing the fucking twisting. Bear with me. It was an accident. I'll be working on it, okay? I'm going to go ahead and tell you, a lot of people only use beeswax. I use both, the black too. Murray's Edge Control and this Shine and Sleek Gel, Jam, whatever. Now here, this part, be very thorough. Don't let anyone tell you you're taking too long. Keep them crisp. This part was crazy.
Jimmy Neutron about to blast off. You wanna fuck with us? Why you gotta come and punch the last four?
Try not to take forever, but be very thorough. Take your time. Get those parts very straight and sharp.
He was trying to get what he asked for. I don't trust him, so close the back door. I don't know if he on a task.
As y'all can see, I twist overhanded. Some people do under. Whatever works for you. I feel like this part is the longest. I feel like you gotta get it accurate. Don't just run through it. You know, get every section as you're twisting. Twist and make sure you go over that twist. You know, don't rush. Try not to take forever, but be accurate. Get it tight. Twist tight. I can't stress it enough.
I ain't trying to fight. I was in the years cooking up some bread, catch me on a flight. My body different, sticks to the Sprite. He was on the land, popping up them zins till like break at night. My body different, my body different. My body different. My body. I tell him DOA. I'm bugging. I got my shit through the TSA.
Just giving y'all a little view of my work versus what I started with. Here's more of another view. Y'all, I was doing my thing for real.
I was just running through BOA. It ain't nothing. I was just hitting like 3 a day. That ain't nothing.
And look at that. Look at that. Yo. I'm just saying, not to toot my own horn, but toot, beat, whatever you want to make it sound like, baby, I did that. Tay Slay, it's in the name. You heard it.
I ain't trying to fight. I was in the years cooking up some bread, catch me on a flight. My body different, sticks to the Sprite. He was on the land, popping up them zins till like break at night. My body different, my body different. My body different. My body.